Kathleen installing memory into her computer.
That's it. After that, when you use your battery again, find this interface goes right there. Just slide it in.
Try to make it like my MacBook.
Push it down, hold it down. Lose your pen in. Drag that back in the lock position. There you go. There you go. This is very formal memory. MacBook.
You sure you don't want to stand behind it and make sure it's oh, alright. It's tight in there?
Yes.
Just like the other one?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You're pretty sure?
I'm positive.
Alright. Everything's good, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Alright. You should have made a YouTube video showing you how to do it. That would have been cool. You just gotta put this is the part that's annoying. Yeah, you took that out pretty fast. Excited? I think so. Told you I had the screwdriver. Nice. Living up to the stereotype. Oh, fuck, it doesn't work, right? Just put those back into put those into that baggage. So just in case it doesn't work, we put those back in. You know? That's your old memory. Whoa, be careful. It's your old memory. 512 sucks. I'm not even sure how much memory you have here. That's 2007 memory. We need a quarter. Okay. Yeah, slide it in. No, once I gotta slide in first. There you got it. Flip it over. Is it dead?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. That's nice. Open it up. Take a look. If it boots up, that means everything's good so far. Oh, shit.
Let's see. Hold on.
Nothing else good. I usually take this one a little, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, no.
Maybe with maybe a new memory card.
Are you good?
Hold on.
Yeah, see? Oh, it's Texas, okay. Now go to, review. Now go to, Apple. Yeah, go to Apple. About this Mac. And we got 2 gigs. Well, that's enough.